Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome to a new series, Decluttering and Organizing series once again. Okay, so this is sort of a continuation of my Purge and Declutter series that I did in 2018 and part of 2019, but this time I'm just going back and tidying up those areas and revisiting them and possibly reorganizing them. My tip for this video is if you are like me and you're feeling overwhelmed right now, try not to look at the big picture, just start small. And that's why I started with the bedside table, and that was the easiest thing for me to do right now, and then I can move on from there. Okay, there's nothing really in this bottom portion. These are only really the only books that I own. I'm not a reader. Other than children's books that I have in the kids' room. So, and I have a bookmark that Dee from Dee Lovely Life gave me. What books am I reading? In case you're interested. This book I started and never finished. This book I've had for years and started it and never finished that. Love that movie. So I thought I would like the book. This one, I don't know, I bought like a year ago. And then this is like a keepsake. That used to be my mom's. Of course, that's keepsake. And then that. And then this book that I bought at a, what do you want to call it? Not a conference. I don't know, speaker. Thing that I went to at my niece's church, and yeah, that's how much I read, and that's it. I'm just not a reader. I need to stop. I'm not, but hey, 6 books, whatever. And then I just have baby powder down here, and then this is like a back massager. Actually, I was using that for my knees and stuff, and so I dusted it the thing really good and whatnot. So yeah. Alright, so the point is I didn't declutter anything in there because this never gets cluttered up. My husband's bedside table, that's a whole other story. I'm not going to do that. I will dust it, but he needs to clean that out himself. So, yeah. Alright, I cleaned out this drawer real good. It looks all nice and clean now. And I just decluttered a few things. This does not really get decluttered. This is what I'm saying. A lot of the stuff that I have decluttered has stayed in my Purge and Declutter series in 2017 has stayed decluttered. It just tends to get cluttered up with a few things. Not too bad. I'll show you that in a second. So I just have my pet egg because I do my feet before I go to bed sometimes. And I have my essential oils for my diffuser, some chapstick, nail clippers, eyeglasses. This is a ceiling fan. Remote, and then eyeglass cleaner, and then a nail file. Yeah, what I keep in here varies of what I'm doing right now. And then this is what I just have on top because I'm currently drinking this and this water, and this is the lotion that I'm currently using, and I just like to keep it on top rather just for a visual reminder to do my feet. Lotion on my feet before I go to bed. If it's under there, I forget. I don't know. And then I just have a notepad to write stuff down. Sometimes, I do my best thinking when I'm in bed. So this is what I decluttered from the... Oh, wait, that needs to go... Yeah, that needs to go in there. That needs to go in the drawer. So this is what I decluttered. Really not a whole lot. I was thinking about keeping these in there, but... because I do use them, but you know what, this is what happens. I put my hair up in these hair ties and stuff, and before I go to bed, I throw them in that drawer. Well, before you know it, there's like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these things in there, and they belong in the bathroom. So I will put them in the bathroom, because, in a jar. And then, I don't know, what does that go to? You see that thing? I have no idea. And this is broken. Why am I keeping it? Do you see that? And I'm going to relocate that. And these lotions I am using, but not currently. So I will put them somewhere else. And then this is what the I was storing my headphones in. Again, I have no clue what I was even doing with that. That's old. So I need to put these headphones. These are my iPhone headphones, and yeah, this is a great way to keep it. Just a toilet paper roll with washi tape on it, and actually it's a paper towel roll, a little harder, and it's a little worn. I need to make a new one or find something else, like a little pouch or something, but those fit right in there. I changed my mind. When I went to go put these in my, on my makeup table, my craft room, there was all these other lotions, and I decided to just grab them. I mean, you really should, when you do stuff like that, when you put stuff back where it belongs, you should try not to get sidetracked and, you know, start purging stuff in another space because you're putting the lotion away, so I gotta go look at the other lotion, yada, yada, yada. Yeah. But I did grab it and decide to put that in here, under here, especially since I have room. But unlike you saw me put away the headphones in that electronics drawer, yeah, that needs decluttered really badly. But I just put it away because that was going to take me a good half an hour or 20 minutes to do that, and I wasn't going to do that now because I'm concentrating on my bedroom right now. So when I do have more lotion, probably somewhere else, and when I do, I will either purge it or put it in here, because this is where, that is where I put my lotion on when I'm sitting here on the bed at night before I go to bed, or sometimes I'll sit in this chair over here in the middle of the day and put some lotion on if I notice my feet are dry. You know, when I forgot to do it the night before. So, yeah. So that's what I'm going to do for now. Good enough. So, I'm just showing you some areas now that I want to declutter and reorganize and tidy in a future video. I have done many decluttering videos on my channel. In fact, that is the way I started. I started out decluttering my master bedroom closet. I have done 30 bags in 30 days twice, or was it 3 times, with Sophia on my great challenge. I did a collab with some other YouTubers with a 30-day decluttering challenge that was hosted by Cass from Clutterbug. So yeah, I've been decluttering a lot, and I just really need to go back to most of those areas and just tidy up. And so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, as you can see, my paperwork is like the worst thing for me. I have the hardest time keeping up on that, so I will be attacking that soon. Hopefully, taxes are coming up. I need to do that. All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for the rest of this series. I will be periodically posting a video to this series throughout the year. And I will put a link down below to my Purge and Declutter series that I posted in 2017, and all of the other decluttering videos that I have on my channel. Thanks, guys. Until next time, enjoy your day.